Hello, boss.
Halo,
How are you? Apa kabar?
kabar baik?
Bye. What is this? Es doger.
Doger.
It's good? Oh, it's like a dessert.
It's good, it's good.
Yeah? How much?
8,000.
8,000. Okay. One. I can have one. Here we go. So he mixes all these little colorful sweet. Okay, what's in here? Oh, looks like potato. Oh, this is ice cream? Oh, awesome. So he first gets the ice cream in there. And then we got, oh my god. What is that? Fruits, maybe? Some green. It is like hello.
Yeah.
It's like the Indonesian dessert. And then some pink, colorful jelly. And what is that? Looks like pineapple, but it's tapai.
Apa tapai?
Tapai. Oh yeah, mixes it all together. And a bit of chocolate.
Okay.
Oh yes, please.